So we got the car hooked up on the dyno.
Hashtag hand built for me. What's up, guys? Out here at for a private day out here at Richmond Raceway. Shout out to Team Frisky making that happen, and Joe at Spiritjpdriftseries. We're gonna go watch a little bit of drifting, and I'm gonna go do some shredding. Maybe I should take my hood off. Alright, I'm gonna go in and just take the hood off, let it cool.
Part, you know, right now, taping up everything, taping, prepping.
We just brushed out with Scotch-Brite?
Oh yeah, we already did that. Next thing we're gonna do is prep all it.
Yeah.
Boom! That's how it's done.
Ooh.
Oh snap. Oh snap. Done ruined it.
You can jump in there and
I'll get the inside, you
or
get
we
the
can
outside.
tape it from the back.
Maybe we'll do that instead of from the front. Alright. That's the third of me. Oh man. I done lost it. You are coming with me!
Take this out.
Let you guys down back here.
Boop.
Let's see this. Oh.
Back up.
It's a flat.
All right. So we got the car hooked up on the dyno. Josh was just over here setting up this optical eye so we can get an RPM signal for the dyno. Like a crank trigger, basically. Right, Josh?
That's right.
Say hi, Josh.
Hi, Josh.
Got some new software for the dyno.
What's up, guys? It's Monday morning here at the shop. We're gonna see what's going on. Tevin's on vacation, so I'm gonna be cameramanning for a bit today. What's up, fellas? What y'all getting into?
Ignition test.
Sweet.
This is
Thing
the
checked out
customer's
before we
car.
tear it down.
Yeah, and it doesn't look good so far.
What have you had so far, numbers?
55,
Oh gosh.
68, 52, 68. That's better.
76. Yeah.
He said it had low compression on all cylinders, so we're just verifying and checking all of them out, and he was right.
Yeah, and that way we have it for our records too, just so we know. You know?
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, so what we're gonna do is just do this, and then CJ will start ripping everything apart, and we'll pull the engine
Alright.
out.
Clear. $69.
All right.
So yeah,
Toasted.
toasted.
Toast.
I wonder what made it had bad compression on all cylinders. Should be interesting to find out
38 pounds of boost. 40 pounds of boost.
on the stock twins.
I mean, I don't know. I don't know why all 6 would be bad.
Maybe the
Same
timing belt
time.
slipped. Think it's possible?
Yeah, it is possible. It may have just slipped a tooth or two.
Oh, it's all got to come off anyways. So
Yank it like you're starting a lawnmower.
So, we're going to be putting coilovers on this IS300 that we sold. I got some fresh Fortunatos over here. 500s. Hashtag hand built for me. The guy that bought this wanted to upgrade to Swift springs with the stock spring rates. So we're able to make that happen for him. I'm about to pull these things off, and these stock old janky things. They're not that janky, but you know, janky enough. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna put these things on.
Well, there goes Josh. A Josh sighting. Off into his cave.
Working on getting the motor pulled out. So I'm actually going to drop the whole subframe in the front.
Okay.
So I have to disconnect all the suspension. These brake lines have to come out. The wheel speed sensors, the uppers, the struts, and then take the wheels
I
off.
see it's got some like Cusco upper control arms.
Yep.
Holy shit, there's a bear. There's a bear sighting. I just got bear sighting. Look, he's
Put that thing away, Johnny.
He's Whew, look at his sexy body. Give me, he wants to cool down. It's nice and cool in my office. You can come in my office.
But you gotta put a shirt on?
No.
Hey,
Oh.
Mr. Wizard.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm oozing.
Uh-oh, what's going on in here?
From that.
That's quite a difference, I'd say. That's awesome.
We're getting there.
Oh, you got a shirt on.
Oh yeah, hey.
Hey.
Figured you two
Okay,
could
now we don't have to
this.
blur you out. Josh is in there buffing his nuts.
Whoa!
Yep.
I want to go watch.
Oh, hey.
Just putting some coilovers on.
Coilovers! Awesome!
They went on pretty easily.
Yeah?
I've never done them before on IS, but it's really pretty simple. Hopefully the back's as easy. Doc got the front wrapped up, so.
Yeah, you got him on this side already.
Just gotta put the sway bar and link on.
Cool. Definitely leaking some oil.
Unless they just did an oil change and didn't clean anything up.
Yeah, maybe.
Because Nissan had this bright idea to put their oil filter right there. And then, can you see it?
Yep.
Yep.
Yep, right there.
So they put their oil filter right there.
Yeah. So when you take it off,
It just drains all on top of this front diff.
so we're gonna get this engine out of here. We're gonna get it torn apart. We're gonna see what's wrong with it, and then we'll rebuild it for him. This
The all-wheel drive.
is what actually pushes pressure. See this right here?
Yeah.
We'll
So
push
it's like little
pressure
clutches in there, right?
on that, and the clutches are in here.
Yeah.
So this is like what pushes these clutches together, like you would in your car. You would push the clutches
So
together.
this is essentially a slave cylinder.
Yep.
Okay.